So there would be many reasons why you want to recover data on your phone. Chances are you may accidentally deleted something important, or maybe you just dropped your phone and the screen doesn't work. So now you want to recover all of your data. I mean, losing your photos, videos, documents, or even WhatsApp chats can be a huge headache, especially when you don't have any backup. In situations like this, there is one amazing software that can help you recover almost everything back, and that is our today's sponsor, Stellar Data Recovery for iPhone. Well, I've already made similar videos for Android, but since a lot of you also uses an iPhone as their secondary device, I thought why not go ahead and make one dedicated video for iOS users. With that said, it's gonna be super useful video. Make sure you watch it until the very end. Also, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. It would mean a lot to me. Alright guys. First things first, in order to recover your deleted data, you need to head over to their website by clicking the first link in the description below. From there, simply download and install the software on your PC or Mac. Once installed, open up the software where you will be greeted with a very clean and straightforward interface, and you simply need to select recover data from your iPhone or iPad. Now what I really liked about this software is that it doesn't confuse you with complicated layout. I mean, here you can see it simply lets you tick the boxes for what you want to recover. You can choose specific file types like photos, videos, apps library, notes and reminders, contacts, messages or WhatsApp chats. So you don't have to waste time scanning things you don't need. Now depending on your requirement, just select the data that you want to recover. Once done, simply click on next. It will take a few seconds, then it's gonna ask you to connect your phone using the Type-C cable. Finally hit scan, and before the software reaches to your storage or backup file to locate deleted items, you will see this pop up on the screen asking you to enter your phone's password and tap trust this computer. Then it's gonna take few minutes depending on the amount of data you have on your device. Once the scan is complete, all your files will be neatly organized into categories on the left. And the best part is it has live preview feature, which means before saving anything, you can double click on any file or photo to preview right on your desktop to make sure it's the exact file you deleted. Not just that, if your files were deleted a long time ago, you can also use their deep scan option at the bottom to perform an extended search. Honestly, having a reliable tool like this in your setup is a total lifesaver. Whether you accidentally deleted years of precious memories, lost important business documents, or got logged out due to the broken screen, Stellar Data Recovery takes away all that stress and panic. Plus, there is a free version available that lets you recover up to 10 photos and videos for completely free without making any payment. I think it's a must-have for anyone using an iOS device. So if you are facing any kind of data loss, or even if you want to keep it installed as a backup plan, I definitely recommend you checking this out, and you will find a direct link for this in the description below. So be sure to give it a try and let me know in the comment section if you face any issue using this software. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.